All right, good morning, boys. It is early morning. I think it's probably about 5 o'clock right now.
5:30.
5:30. I woke up at 4, went to bed at 1, running on like no sleep, but we're determined to get this thing done. So we're at Secret Factory with Rob.
I woke up at 3.
Rob wakes up at 3 all the time. Don't let him fool you. So we're here. We're ready to do the intercooler piping, the downpipe, the wastegate dump, and the full exhaust. We got a ton of work to do today. Rob's got his plate full here. We've left a couple odds and ends that we said, oh, Rob can figure that out. So I'm going to surprise him with a few of those, sprinkle those around today and see how he does. And in the meantime, I'm just going to film all the cool stuff. If you look, we got everything all bolted up last night, and you know, everything's removable still. We made it easy to take back off, but we wanted to bolt everything up so Rob can get a good idea of how much room we have for our charge pipe and our pipe on the cold side. And then again, we still have to do this crazy downpipe and snake it down in there and do all that. So Rob has done these before. He's done turbo M52s, M50s and whatnot before. So he's pretty confident that we should be able to make it work. Man, we're cutting it down to the wire because once all of the piping stuff is done today, this weekend, Don and I are going to wire the car and it should be started this weekend. We should hear it run for the first time on a base map. So wish us luck. I'll film some stuff for you guys along the way, and hopefully we can get this thing looking spicy by the time we leave here. Alright boys, here's the downpipe all welded out. Got the V-bands on the ends. Dude, Rob killed it with that. Honestly, it has not been that much time, and he already got the downpipe all fitted and got these little pie cuts right here, a couple angles. Honestly, I thought that was going to take a lot longer, but Rob's the go. You guys saw the intercooler piping is pretty much all done at this point too. Now we just have to do the can lambda bung for the O2 sensor on the downpipe, kind of trying to figure out exactly where we want to place that. And then basically we just have the wastegate dump tube that we have to make, and that's going to come from right there. So that should be pretty simple. It's just going to come straight down. And then pretty much the downpipe comes to here, and Rob is kind of getting measurements for the rest of the exhaust and mid-pipe and everything. We're going to run to the store, grab some more material and a muffler.
Actually, if we wanted to spend more time, we can probably cut the shit out of it. Oh, two bung. Nope, next size. Burger. Alright.
And
So yeah, essentially it'll just kick it forward, so hopefully we won't burn anything. Maybe we can put a little extension on it too.
that looks good. I think it looks pretty good where it's at. I was just looking at that, but I think it'll be fine.
That
best
would
case
be worst
scenario.
case scenario.
Just the turbo. Okay, I'm gonna roll it this way and we'll put them on and tighten them.
Yeah, then if you want a little extra clearance, like he can cut like part of this little brace out down here.
One piece? Yeah. All right, guys, it has been a long day, but cannot thank Rob enough. Dude, you freaking killed it. All right, let's go over it. So wastegate dump tube, it's gonna go right up here and then just drop down right here. And you guys saw the downpipe. You got a pretty good look at it from right here. Snakes down. Got a V-band up here where we can disconnect. Flex pipe. And then through the mid pipe, nice and tucked. Another V-band in the middle so we could disconnect it halfway. And then all the way down. Out to this muffler that we got. And looks super fresh. It's pretty like low key looking. It's not like a fart can or anything. I like how it matches with the BMW kind of aesthetic. So the other cool thing is we got our hangers on and we just reused kind of factory mounting areas. And then Rob put in a riv nut right here and put another hanger in the middle. So super accessible, very easy to take on and off where it splits in the middle. It's tucked up pretty good. Shouldn't be dragging it or anything. And man, what a day. So we're gonna get this thing down and get it back home and get the dump tube on, get all of our piping on. And we're missing a couple of couplers that we ordered a few days ago, but they're late. So once we get those, we can button up the rest of the intercooler piping and all that. And then I actually just cut this little piece for our intake off the turbo, and we'll put that on at home as well. So, man, done and dusted. This was a huge task. I told Dawn, I said, we have 2 nightmares left. Nightmare 1 is getting all the piping and the exhaust and the downpipe and all that stuff done. Nightmare 2 is wiring the car and making sure it has a good first start. So 1 nightmare down, 1 to go.